Hi friend, this is Lancy from Temax Hardware, and here we'd like to introduce you one slider, two-fold undermount, so close undermount slider. You can see this have two items on this table. These two items, this is blown type size undermount slider. This is heated type slider undermount slider. But today our main item is for heated type because it's a fresh new one in the market. Because this blown type you can see very normally and regular in the market. But we want to introduce you the fresh new one today. This one is coming to the market this year. Okay, you can see this is two-fold, half extension, so you can pull out the drawer side, like half of the drawer, pull out. The soft close, it is soft close. You can see you can see the iron buffer here, the iron buffer. So you can get a soft close function. Like, let me show you. Okay, the soft close function. Okay, so close. Here is iron buffer, but our type is plastic buffer. So we update this structure here, and also we have a very special design here. This part is ball bearing. This sliding structure inside is ball bearing, but the older type here is plastic. Why we make the ball bearing? Because we want to make it silent and running smoothly and silently for this function. So you can see, let's make a comparison. Very smooth and silent. Okay, then let's try this one. You can see do this kind of noise. It's like a tree. So here this is structure, this part structure usage to make silent and smoothly. Okay, and then this slider used for the 16mm, 16mm panel here to put the border panel thickness is 16mm, and open close cycles is 50,000 times. 50,000 times. The material thickness is 1.4 and 1.4. Okay, also material is A level quality. You can see the smooth is very shiny. The finish is very smooth and shiny. We didn't make like a second hand material. We use the fresh A level material, so you can get a very shiny and smooth finish color here. Here. You can test this color. Example is more obvious. The capacity is 20 and 25 kilogram for the drawer. To load 20 and 25 kilogram. Okay, and okay. So this part you can see you can find this slide. You can find a adjusting screw here. Here is for adjust your drawer up and down, like 3 to 4 millimeter. So also you can find a plastic hook beside this drawer. So you can have two choices. Your first choice, you choose this adjusting screw. Second choice, you choose a plastic hook. But now our client is choose adjusting screw, because with the screw you can make a price is more cheaper. No need this one, so you can choose this or this, just two kind. Okay. Also, maybe you care about what about the price. You can see this same size, like this. Let me explain. Same size, like 45 millimeter. This is the same size. This new slide price can make like a 10 and 50% cheaper like this one. Why? Because we use the automation line to produce this slider to short the lead time, to save the human labor cost, and also change and improve some structure inside. So we also can save the material cost. So all the saved material cost, saved human labor cost, make a total cost will make it cheaper, 10 to 50% cheaper than the normal slide. So you can try this one. 还有什么条例给你看？时间有吗？时间还有吗？多长时间？够了。Okay, I finish. Summary. 16mm board panel. Adjustment screw up and down 3 to 4mm. Price is like 10 and 50% cheaper. Okay, and two-fold half extension. And the soft and the openness of close times is 50,000 times. Okay, and here is the ball bearing structure. Which make the slide run very smoothly and silently. Okay, finished.